gonna blow it up. We're gonna blow it up.
It's recording.
Oh, we're gonna do 2 of these things right now.
I still think it'd be cooler face down.
You think so?
I think it'd blow more apart instead of, because all the pressure's gonna come out that door when it flies open.
That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping it'll take the door off.
Put this phone book in.
That in front of the door.
That was one of these.
Hey, what do we got? What do we have for some string or something like that? So we could
Have them together.
just no. I'm saying tie the microwave together. You see what I'm saying? Just hold it together like a strap or something of some
No,
sort.
Just get a fucking stick and
There you go, right in front of you.
wedge the fucking each side of it.
Tom, don't be talking like that. We need to do that.
Hey,
We need to get
you give me the stick.
Wrap it
This
around
is what we do here.
Huh?
So we're from the stick.
Right.
What? Go lay her down then, baby.
Where's my done?
Won't be long.
I play my boom boom at night. When everybody's all feeling right.
We're gonna play Chris Clayton and blow our face off on him.
Hey man, what's he in jail for? Why is he in jail?
Didn't snitch.
He didn't? Good. Good. Good for him. So
He
you're for
said
that.
that he doesn't sit in there long enough and decide.
Well, what, I mean, what was
Well,
his,
fuck that.
what was his original charges? Why didn't?
He was fighting with Nathan Sullivan, his baby mom's boyfriend, in the middle of the road with a pistol in
Was
his
that?
waistband and
No, that was before this. Was that?
quarter gram of open as fuck.
That was the same. That was the same one we were talking about when we was heading down south. Oh my god. I can go grab an extension cord.
That can work.
I like my extension cords.
No. We can't tie it together like that.
That's okay. Once it blows, it
Those
blows.
blow.
Oh,
but-
it's not all right. Well, I'm gonna like this one right now.
Hold on. One more. You back.
And we'll just tie them up together like so. That's gonna project tie out. I say we just take the rope and wrap it around there so it can't go open. And then it has no choice but to do something seriously damaging.
She's gonna blow.
Believe it or not, I do have experience with this shit. I made
If this is not
a
cool,
homemade bomb out of a mag flashlight, blew a pumpkin and a 2-foot crate underground down here.
if this is not cool, I'm blaming you for 100. I'm like,
it's
ready?
Make your camera go first.
No. Is your camera set on this thing?
Yeah,
ready
it's
to roll?
recording.
Oh, man.
Oh,
We'll try that at home here.
Hey, how are we gonna do that again?
More of them. We can have nothing
we need more microwaves.